Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing how to insert different page numbers in a single document. So, first go to Insert, Page Number, bottom of the page, choose your option format, then go to the Format Page Number option, convert it to Roman numbers, and click OK. So, in case you're planning to change the page number after this page, so suppose you're going to change this one, go to the previous page, click on the last line, go to layout, create a section break, go to break next page. To check that, go to home, click on this icon. So now you can see there's a section break. So just close it, go to the next page, click on that page number, go to format page number, change the format and start at 1. So there you go. We have created two different page number styling in a single document. So it's a simple way of changing the page numbers in Word document. So in case you have any doubt regarding Word documents, please do mention in the comment section. I'll try to put a video on that. So it could be anything regarding Word documents. So that's it. Let's see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.